In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to filter your time review data. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Review. You can choose any of these first 4 choices. All of them use the same filter function. In this case, I'm going to use absent/on. To filter the information shown in this chart, click Filter in the upper corner. Select a type of filter. I'll choose this arrow, and I can decide between a folder, location, employee, or crew. I'll choose crew. Now I can choose which crews I want to view information for. I will look at full-time employees. So I'll click on full-time, then choose Add. Now this filter has been set. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add this filter, exit out of this. If you do, choose Apply. Now that filter has been applied, I'm only seeing data in this chart for employees who have been placed in the full-time crew category. Notice that next to filter in the upper right-hand corner is a blue on. That's letting you know you currently have a filter in effect. To turn off your filter, click on Filter again. Exit out of the crew equals full-time. Then choose Apply. Now that filter has been removed. Notice next to filter, there is no longer a blue on. The other way you can filter this chart is the same way you can filter most charts in TeamWork 5. If I click the funnel next to Name or Versus, I can now choose which items I want to see or exclude from this chart. So I can click here and choose a specific value or any attendance. I'll choose specific. Then I will select my value. I'll click this arrow. Let's say I only want to see my early out options. I'll click early out, then choose filter. I only had one person who clocked out early during this time frame. Notice that little funnel symbol has been highlighted. That's letting you know you currently have a filter in effect. To remove that filter, click on that funnel icon again and choose Clear. Now that filter has been removed. That's how you can filter the information in your time review section. Check out the next video to learn how to view time actuals.